Hi children, welcome to this class. In continuation with the eye, we are going to study the next sense organ, ear. Okay, here it is the statoacoustic receptor. It is a site of reception of two main senses. Those are hearing and equilibrium. Okay, the ear possesses three parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. This external ear is also called as outer ear. This again divided into three parts: pinna, external auditory meatus or auditory canal, and the tympanic membrane, or it is also called as eardrum. Yes, come to the pinna. It is also called as auricle. You can feel it. It is a flap-like structure of elastic tissue and it is covered by skin. It collects the sound vibrations in the environment and transmits inside. Okay, if you observe here, this is the external ear, pinna. This is the pinna. And this is the next part which is called as external auditory meatus. Okay, it is a curved tube and it extends up to the last part, eardrum. This is the eardrum, or also called as tympanic membrane. This all three parts constitute the external ear. This eardrum is a transparent membrane which receives the sound vibrations and sent to the next part, middle ear. It also possesses the connective tissue. And the external ear possesses the hair, fine hairs, and also ceruminous glands, which are modified sebaceous glands. These secretes the earwax. External ear helps in preventing the dust and the foreign particles to enter inside with the help of these hairs and earwax, so that it works. The next part is the middle ear. This ear possesses three main ear ossicles. This is air-filled. It is also called as air-filled tympanic cavity. This is present in the tympanic bone. Okay, this middle ear is separated from the external ear by tympanic membrane, internal ear by bony labyrinth with two apertures. Those are, one is the oval aperture and one is the round aperture. The oval aperture is also called as oval window and round window. Oval window is also called as fenestra ovalis, round window also called as fenestra rotunda. Okay, this middle part or middle ear possesses three bones. This is the first bone, second bone, and this is the third bone. They connected with each other. Looks like a chain of bones. First one is the malleus. It is a hammer shaped bone. It attached with the external ear of tympanic membrane, outer side, and inner side it attaches with the second bone, incus. Incus is an anvil bone. It is intermediate bone in it. Articulates with the next bone, the third bone, incus. It articulates with the head of the stapes internally. So, first bone malleus attached with the incus, incus attached with the stapes. Stapes attached to the, connects with the oval window of the internal ear. Okay. So, malleus, incus, stapes, three bones or ear ossicles transmit the sound vibrations which are received from eardrum or tympanic membrane of external ear to the internal ear. And here a special tube, eustachian tube, is arranged. This is called as eustachian tube, which connects the middle ear with the pharynx, so that the pressure is maintained equally on both sides of the eardrum. Okay, then the third part, internal ear, it is a fluid-filled cavity, also called as labyrinth. It is again divided into bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth. I'll discuss about the internal ear in the next class. Thank you.